Okay, so this just arrived and I wanted to open it up with you. So I've got a little bit of time before my class. Let me open it up. That's why I didn't do makeup or anything. I'm just sitting here. It's from Payne Glasses. I have the computer balanced here between my legs, so it might be wiggling around and stuff, but you'll forgive me, won't you? So, all right, here we go. The glasses I'm wearing are from Zenny. They're from my big haul. So I'll try to link here. Okay. Ooh, okay. So it comes in that box with extra pieces of stuff. Those might be useful for teaching. A PD measurer. I think I already have it down. It seems to be pretty good, but maybe eventually I go to the doctor and see that it's wrong. Okay, so they come just a little sleeve like this. They have, this is one of the things I was impressed with when I looked at other hauls. They each have their own little vinyl cases, and these are little snapshot ones. I don't like that you can't see into them, but they're still pretty cool. So the inside of the case, just like this, has a little magnetic thing. It says PG. It's all felt on the inside. So I'm going to scratch it up. It says sanitized. Oops. And the date that it was sanitized. And then has the information here, whatever that means. So I'll rip that open. A plastic baggie. They come wrapped like this, as most seem to, in a little microfiber. There's no plastic on them. They're a little bit, so this is just the microfiber. It says PG here in embossed. Okay, so these are the first ones. Moment of truth. Let's see. So these are a cat eye. That is a tortoise. They're on the large side. They are, yeah, actually some of the larger ones I've got. These are just a regular tortoise cat eye. They look like. With the big ones, I always want to look down here and see if it focuses. It looks like the focus is really good because I've noted a couple other pairs, one in the Wear Light and one in the Firmu, the one from Firmu, that don't focus right at the bottom, and these ones seem to be pretty good. They're quite cute. I like those. They are on the large side. Statement glasses. I feel like I need to have my hair back for this. Maybe. Yeah, I think it looks better with my hair up. They're cute. I like those. Okay, so the way I usually keep this is just to fold this and put it right into the case. And then, so I'm gonna have to actually open all these to see which is which. They're different colors, the cases are, so I could, I suppose, memorize which ones are which, but that only works if you've only got a few pairs. Next one, this random black case. I got a bunch of tortoise because they were so cute and they were all very unique. Oh, this one's pretty. You can already tell from the arms. Same thing, wrapped up in one of these. Oh, look at this color. So this is the red tortoise. Look at that. This has, these have spring hinges, which Zenny usually don't have. I'm a little scared to do this. But this one's, yeah, it's a spring hinge. So you can see I can pull it back, so that actually really helps to keep them from not stretching out, or keep them from stretching out. These bright red and orange colors. This is really nice size. I can see well through it. My hair, ignore my hair. It just came in from running down the street. Not randomly running down the street. I was going for a reason, so whatever. So I didn't really prepare at all. Yeah, these are nice. I don't remember if the other ones had spring hinges. I didn't notice that, but I might have. I can double check. If you want to take a second. So put these back in the case. I've said before I'm pretty careful with my glasses because I want them to last because I like them. Let's see if these ones have spring hinges. I don't think these ones, no, these ones do not have spring hinges. So these are a little bit more basic of a pair. I got 7 pairs from them, I think. This is a bright red case. I got 2 bright red cases, and 1 white one and 1 brown one, and a couple black ones, and this one's navy blue. All right, these are, oh, these are my bright purple ones. So if you know me, you know I always have to get purple because I'm kind of a purpley girl. So they already look like kids' glasses. They're cute. Okay. That's what they look like on. Oh yeah, those aren't bad. I thought they might be more bright, but they're just a kind of, I think they call it orchid, which is pretty much how I would describe. They're those narrow rectangle. The side is a little bit different. It's more of a pink. This front part is a little bit not completely opaque. Got a little bit of light coming through there, but you can't really see through it. Those are cute. They add to my purple. These are not spring hinges either, but I can see like kids wearing those, but I am a kid at heart. So I can wear them. Even if I wasn't, I could still wear them. Because I can do what I want. So this comes in this white case. These are some that are a little out of my comfort zone because the color is quite different, but I have more and more clothes that are these colors. Okay, this isn't as bright as I thought it might be. That's good. All right. So here, these are an orange. Oh, those are really cute. They're almost like a sunshine yellow, which I really like. So there were some yellow ones on Zenny I was looking at getting, but I forgot these I might maybe get those. So these are more, I don't know why I squint every time I put glasses on. Like I'm afraid I'm gonna jab myself in the eye or something. Those are nice. It's a nice little rectangular. Yeah, they're not bad at all. These will look really nice with some of the things that I've got that have orange something in them. I'm looking at some clothes right here that some that I have to do repairs on, and once I do the repairs, they're gonna look really cute with these glasses. So these are gonna be really nice for fall. That's actually one of the thoughts that I had putting in this order, because I had about 3 different carts I was looking at. Which one do I want to choose from? So I picked this one because I thought it was the most fall appropriate with all the colors coming up for fall. I'm like, this will be great. I'm wearing this jumpsuit that I hauled in my Shein haul, and it is, it actually has these adjustable straps. So even though it was really big, it is really big, but it works fine because I can just adjust the straps. Okay, these ones, oh, look at this. Be still my heart. So these are an opaque sort of purple on the front, and then the arms are like a burgundy red. Look at that. They're like a cat eye, almost butterfly sort of something. They're clear on the back side, so it's just the front. That's the purple. Those are cute. These are really cute and really wearable and really clear, and all through they're really clear. So yes, I officially love these. I like all of them so far. I would say that the favorites are the red tortoise and these ones. The least favorite maybe are the so far those orchid purple ones, even though I really like them, but they're just, they don't like make my heart beat. They're more like fun glasses that are like it's the weekend and I'm casual, so let's do this. This is a navy blue or gray. Navy blue, I think. Case. Not that you hear about the cases. You didn't come for the cases. Maybe you did. This. So this is on Fernloo, something very similar to this, for a lot more money. I paid $80 something for 7 pairs. I'll put that in there somewhere. So this has like the greens and the purples and the pinks and the browns and the reds. Okay, there's only like green and purplish and blue. Yeah, there's actually quite a few colors that come in there. They're so cute. Ignore the pillow behind me. I'm sitting on my bed. That's why everything's bouncing a little bit every time I move. These are really cute. They have the spring hinges also. So several of these have spring hinges. Let me see how they glare. I'm not going to see it as much now because it's during the day. I don't think they glare very much. I wonder if these are the ones that had the anti-glare that just came standard. I feel like one of the places that I was shopping at had anti-glare as a standard. But I don't know. One more, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Another tortoise. So that's what? 3 tortoises, maybe 4? 3. I saw these and I was like, purple tortoise. There. Yeah, this is like that one. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty they are. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep saying that. Look, they've got the spring hinge. These are, all right, Zenny, you might have a competitor. Those are very cool. My hair is not doing them justice at all. Like, I need kind of a bold eye with, you know, my lashes, mascara, and something like that to really give these do these justice. They're so cute. Quality is very good. Quality is on the Zenny side, except they have the spring hinges, which I think boots them up a little bit in quality. That little keyhole is very on trend. The colors on here are just great. Oh, I have 4 tortoises because I have a plain tortoise, the red tortoise, the green and something tortoise, and then this purple tortoise. My gosh, they're so cute. I'm not gonna wear these today. I'm not. I don't think. I'm gonna wear them starting tomorrow. They're so cute. Yeah, I like Payne Glasses a lot. I will be ordering from them again. I already have a full cart, of course. I want to try some sunglasses from them. There's sunglasses. You can choose the different colors you want, but they also have some that are just standard, and they're cheap. Like good quality and cheap glasses. So I'm gonna say go for Payne Glasses. If you like Zenny glasses, try Payne Glasses because you're gonna love these. And there's a lot of styles that Zenny does not have, and there's styles on Payne that are cheaper here than they are on Zenny. So I have V glasses that I wanted to try, and I may try them next. We'll see when I get another order in. Try not to order too many glasses because it's kind of ridiculous to like order 10 pairs every month or so. So, and I just ordered 10 pairs because this is 7 and I got 3 from iBuyDirect. So yeah, oops. Anyway, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you in